Visual distractions. Visual distractions take a driver's eyes off the road. When a driver looks away from the road, they are unable to monitor traffic conditions, potential hazards, and other vehicles. Examples of visual distractions include texting or using a smartphone, reading a map or GPS device, adjusting the radio or music playlist, gazing at an accident scene or other incidents outside the vehicle, watching a video or looking at a screen inside the car. Manual distractions. Manual distractions involve actions that cause a driver to remove one or both hands from the steering wheel. This can impair a driver's ability to control the vehicle, respond to sudden events, and maintain proper lane positioning. Examples of manual distractions include texting or typing on a smartphone, eating or drinking, adjusting climate controls, searching for items inside the vehicle, applying makeup or grooming. Cognitive distractions. Cognitive distractions divert a driver's mental focus away from the task of driving. Even if a driver's eyes are on the road and their hands are on the wheel, cognitive distractions can impair their ability to process information and make quick decisions. Examples of cognitive distractions include talking on a handheld or hands-free phone, engaging in a complex or emotionally charged conversation, daydreaming or zoning out, being preoccupied with personal, work, or financial issues. Using voice-activated systems for non-driving tasks. Human lives at stake. Distracted driving leads to accidents, injuries, and fatalities. Every year, countless lives are lost and families are devastated due to preventable distracted driving incidents. The primary importance lies in saving lives and preventing human suffering. Safety of all road users. Distracted driving doesn't just endanger the driver, it poses a risk to passengers, pedestrians, cyclists, and other motorists sharing the road. Prevention efforts aim to protect everyone on the road. Economic impact. Distracted driving accidents result in substantial economic costs. These include medical expenses, property damage, lost productivity, and increased insurance premiums. Prevention helps reduce these financial burdens. Legal and social consequences. Distracted driving can lead to legal repercussions, including fines, license suspension, and even jail time in some cases. Additionally, it can harm a driver's reputation and social standing. Preventing accidents and injuries. By preventing distracted driving, we can reduce the number of accidents and injuries on our roads. This not only saves lives but also alleviates the strain on emergency responders and healthcare systems. Insurance costs. Distracted driving accidents result in increased insurance premiums for all drivers. Prevention efforts can help stabilize insurance costs for individuals and businesses. Enhancing productivity. Distracted driving prevention is essential for employers who want to ensure the safety of their employees. Implementing policies against distracted driving can protect workers while on the job. Protecting vulnerable road users, children, the elderly, and individuals with disabilities are especially vulnerable to distracted driving incidents. Preventing such incidents is essential to safeguard these populations. Regulatory compliance. Many regions have enacted laws and regulations against distracted driving. Compliance with these regulations is vital for individuals and organizations to avoid legal consequences. Educational and awareness opportunities. Distracted driving prevention initiatives provide educational and awareness opportunities. They raise awareness about the dangers of distracted driving and promote responsible behavior on the road. Changing behavior. Preventing distracted driving involves changing behavior and attitudes toward responsible driving. This cultural shift is essential for long-term road safety. Positive role modeling. Parents, teachers, and peers can influence young drivers' behavior. By promoting distracted driving prevention, they set positive examples for new generations of drivers.